This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in all things mobility. Getting from Manhattan to JFK Airport can be a real pain, especially if you're an important business person on the go. That or a rich millennial who hates traffic and public transportation. Thankfully, there's a new way to get to the airport in style and fast. It's called Uber Copter. For a mere $200 to $250, Uber will now charter you from a lower Manhattan heliport to JFK in just 8 minutes. To hop on an Uber Copter ride, request one on your Uber app. An Uber car will pick you up at your location and whisk you away to the heliport, and you're off. Of course, there are a couple of catches. To hail an Uber Copter, you must be an Uber Platinum or Diamond member, which apparently is a thing. And you must have an iPhone. Uber Copter isn't available for Android-owning plebeians. Plus, it isn't a private chopper ride. You'll be riding with up to 4 other people. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pump the brakes. $250 for helicopter Uber pool? Gross. Who wants to share a helicopter ride? Well, brace yourself, bougie millennials, it gets worse. There's only room on the chopper for a small carry-on bag, plus a handbag or laptop case. So you might want to watch a YouTube video on how to pack light. It's with a heavy heart we share the following story. Beloved British YouTuber and lifestyle vlogger Emily Hart died on July 12th in a crash involving an electric scooter while on her way to a fertility clinic, marking the first electric scooter death on British roadways. Emily rose to fame with her 10 Reasons Why videos, in which she covered serious and provocative issues with effortless wit. Her tragic death may serve as a sobering warning in the rapidly expanding electric mobility world. When you're riding little more than a plank and a pole while sharing the road with pickups and semis, you've got to be careful. Because even if you don't make a mistake, other drivers still can. All scooter share companies recommend or require a helmet to ride, though most riders don't, so please, please wear a helmet, people. For Ride's e-scooter safety checklist, visit the link in the description. While we're on the subject of e-scooters, they've obviously gotten a bad rap. With all the public hatred, wanton destruction, and sidewalk littering annoyance you can shake a smartphone at, it'd be no surprise if you have a bad taste in your mouth. But here's a news item that might warm your heart and challenge your idea of what an e-scooter is. SunTech has announced an electric scooter designed for mobility-challenged folks that they claim is the lightest ever. Beyond its featherweight 33 pounds, the e-Foldy Lite also packs to the size of a suitcase so you can stow it in the trunk of a car or onboard an aircraft. Powered by an efficient battery that can propel it 14 miles on a single charge, this Transformers-like ride is ready to race across sidewalks at speeds up to 8 miles an hour. Also cool, the fact that inventor Sumi Wang says her creation looks nothing like a disability tool. Nice work, Sumi. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.